Well, we had a great time in New York, and now we're here at the JFK airport, ready to go to Belgium.
Yeah.
The next leg of our flight, our trip.
We're flying Delta business class, lie flat business class from JFK to Brussels, and then we'll go on from there to Tenerife. And we booked this with 39,000 Chase points, transferred to Virgin Atlantic during a transfer bonus, so that became 50,000 Virgin Atlantic points to book on Delta.
So we're going to check in here in a second, and then we're going to hit up some lounges before we board our flight. Since we were flying Delta One, we got to check in at the Delta One business class counter, and there was no line. First, we went to the Centurion Lounge. We get into this lounge with our Amex Platinum card. This one, at the JFK airport, is 2 stories and it has a large variety of seating, many with a view of the tarmac. The food here was very good, and they had a great drink menu. There are several buffet and drink stations, but the most standout thing at this lounge is the 1850 speakeasy downstairs. It's right past the main bar behind a nondescript wooden door. When we were there, the door was open, which I think kind of took away from the mystique of a hidden speakeasy. But it was very busy that day. Unfortunately, it was pretty crowded inside, and we didn't end up spending too much time there. The other standout for this location was the Equinox Body Lab, which offers self-guided meditation and stretching, vibroacoustic chairs, massage guns, and compression boots. Make sure you make an appointment here as soon as you enter the lounge. Of course, we had to check out the Delta Sky Club Lounge as well, so we made our way over there to discover a very long line at the entrance. Luckily for us, we were flying Delta One business class and had a much smaller line. We really didn't wait too long. The place was packed, but definitely capable of handling a crowd, as it was quite spacious with plenty of seating. It was harder to find space as a couple, but it wouldn't be a problem for singles. The food here was excellent as far as lounges go, and they had a large variety of buffet stations, a pasta station, even a Nathan's hot dog stand, and fresh hot pretzels. You also didn't have to wait in line for wine or champagne, which is something I really appreciate in a lounge. If you have trouble finding seating inside and the weather is acceptable, they have a great outdoor patio area with plenty of seating and a bar. We didn't stay here too long before boarding our 8-hour Delta flight to Belgium. Oh, I have to sit next to you? No. We got settled in and then had a toast to our travels with our pre-flight champagne. Despite being made from plastic, the bedding was very comfortable. The slippers were a bit small for Tyler. The humidity kits were really cute, and a video explained that they were each handmade by artisans in Mexico. Apparently Sarah in Michoacan made this. Each kit came with a wooden toothbrush, eye mask, earplugs, a pin, and lip balm and hand cream from Grown Alchemist. The Oshibori towels they handed out before dinner were also from Grown Alchemist. And of course, we had more great food on this flight. You'll probably never hear me say anything bad about food. Beef and potatoes for dinner, ice cream for dessert, and we went halvesies on bread pudding and quiche for breakfast. We're here in Belgium. We're at the Loft,
Which is Brussels Airlines business class lounge.
It's very nice. It's apparently sponsored by Lexus, I guess? Yeah. Affiliated with Lexus. There's a lot of Lexus things around. All the chairs are made by Lexus. And there's like a big video screen.
Like Lexus ads.
Yeah, right in front of us. But it's a very nice lounge.
Yeah, very classy.
Very, yes.
Leather chairs everywhere, like crisp white furniture. There's massage chairs in the back for free, and Nap rooms as well.
Cool nap room.
Shower room.
A cool ceiling.
Yeah.
There's like stars on the ceiling of the nap room. Food's pretty good. There's tiny donuts that are delicious.
You can get tiny bells and waffles.
Very nice lounge. Very classy. Elevated. Elegant. Going on like a couple hours of sleep-ish. So I'm a little tired. We should be in Tenerife by like 7 p.m. tonight? 5 p.m. tonight?
Mm-hmm.
We've got another almost 5-hour flight in about an hour. And then we can go to bed. I'm really looking forward to that. We got here at about 8:35 in the morning, and the lounge wasn't busy at all, and the airport in general was fairly quiet, at least in our terminal. This was a nice change from the extremely busy lounges at JFK. The massage chairs were the really great fancy kind that lay you back, stretch you out, and squeeze your legs, feet, and arms. The food here was definitely better than average, and there was a lot of variety. They had a great selection of high-quality teas, and the drinks were self-serve. They also have a counter where you can buy new house chocolates, and they even had a few chocolate sculptures. We were in European business class on our flight to Tenerife since it was only 5 hours. I thought our meal on this flight was very good, and it came with a box of new house chocolates. By the way, if you're wondering what European business class is, it's basically just regular seats but with the middle seat blocked. You usually get better food and unlimited drinks, alcohol, and champagne. As we neared Tenerife, we could see the volcano, Mount Teide, out of our window. We have been to over 26 countries in the last year, and we've saved over $170,000 on travel in less than a year by travel hacking. We're trying to make videos detailing how we do this, so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.